Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha Malayala and you are watching Indian Lifestyle. So today we are in Srisailam as you already seen in the last vlog. So we are going to Darshan now. Here Srisailam Malana, like another name of Lord Shiva, Shivalingam. So going to temple now. Mostly they will not allow the mobile inside the temple. You have to again submit this mobile. ఏ నిజమా అవునా నిజమా
ఫోటో తీపిట
నేను నాగలింగం పూల with the darshan. Actually it is darshan come abhishekam actually, so we can go near to the god and I mean near to the idol like Lord Shiva idol, like means you know Shivalingam, right? Near to that we can go and this is like Srisailam is this is the second in the Jyotirlingam and in Shakti Pitas this is sixth Shakti Pitam Brahmarambika Devi and Mallikarjuna Swami, I mean Mallikarjuneshwarudu is second Jyotirlingam. So out of 12 Jyotirlingams this is the second Jyotirlingam. Out of 18 Shakti Pital this is sixth Shakti Pitam. And here you have clock room and mobile room. So here itself, just while before entering into the temple, like you can submit your belongings here. So for mobile they are taking 10 rupees. And then now it's time to take breakfast, followed by one more temple is the Sakshi Ganapati temple. We should surely go there it seems. So we'll complete that and we'll have our lunch, then check out from Srisailam. And I heard that like Srisailam dam gates are open, so like view will be next level. So we'll try to stop there in the viewpoint and we'll show you the view. So this is free line queue, free darshan queue. You can see how many members are there. Actually here both free darshan and paid darshan is there, right? That is why you can find like huge crowd. Whereas in Tirupati only paid darshan is there, not free darshan. They didn't started free darshan yet, so that is why just only few only few people were there as compared to the normal times. Completed the darshan here at Sakshi Ganapati temple. Now we are going to Shikhar Darshanam here at Srisailam. So this is also one more mandatory place to visit. And you know what? So this village, Srisailam and Telangana is separated, like AP and Telangana is separated by Krishna river. So half of the river is in AP, half of the river is in TS. So this on the Krishna river itself, like we will be having Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, which we call it also Srisailam Dam. The view is and there is a Srisailam dam water. Here crazy, right? Looks crazy. In Srisailam we also have ropeway here, 65 for adult and 45 for children. So we came here. This is AP tourism, APTDC, Andhra Pradesh State Tourism. So let's see whether they will allow mobile inside the ropeway or not. If at all they will allow, surely take inside that and I will show you the view from the ropeway. So here is the Srisailam dam and ropeway. Just got into the cabin, each cabin 4 members. So just small route started. Video there. So this is totally backwaters. అయ్యి ఒక్కసారి రాకండి అసలు. మిన్ను భయపడకు మిన్ను. బబ్బీ భయపడకు రాది, భయం కనిపిస్తుంది కళ్ళల్లో. నాలుగే కానీ మంచిగా ఎక్కువనే ఓపెన్ చేసేటాడు. సో హియర్ గోస్ ది శ్రీశైలం డ్యామ్ వ్యూ పాయింట్. సో లెట్ us stop at some place and we'll look at that view. It's look beautiful, man. It would look even more beautiful if they have like opened all the gates. So here is the Srisailam Dam viewpoint. Actual viewpoint is there, but we stopped here itself so that like there is a lot of rush, right? Like we can't even see and enjoy view for some time. So this looks amazing, right? Like waited for here 15 minutes. So now again we'll start our journey to Hyderabad first, and we'll drop my brother there, and we'll then go back to home through Karimnagar, Sultanabad. So once again you can see here particular dam water which is stored and which is like the power which is generated here is totally like there will be share for both TS and AP, and whereas AP has somewhat more share than TS, I mean Telangana state and AP state. Slow ana mala. So out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ra 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 gates. Out of 12 gates, 4 gates are open. Even though still like this view is very good, right? So if they have opened total gates, like view will be next level. That particular bridge is shared by both Telangana and AP state. If we cross that bridge from center, so that is Telangana and this side is Andhra Pradesh. And this is a Krishna river, and that is the bridge which is connecting both Telangana and AP for this particular Srisailam. So yeah, hello, officially we are entering Telangana. Yes! Krishna river here. So hope you can find the like water sprinkles, right? So that is the dam water gates. If we go that side, like we can feel the very cool, man. So we are in Telangana now. Almost we crossed off of this. See this. This total water is of that projects. Wow, this rainbow is with us. Artificial rain. It's total of rain, man. Crazy. We'll be having one octopus viewpoint. We are skipping this. Hey, kusar.
ఇట్లా చెక్ చేసాం. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత రూమ్స్ దగ్గర అది ఇంకా క్రేజీ అయిపోయింది. ఆ రూమ్స్ అలాట్ అయిపోయినాయి. నెక్స్ట్ తలకొన్న వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ నెక్స్ట్ డే వెళ్దామనుకున్నాం, కానీ అది కూడా ఇంకా మంచిగా డిసైడ్ అయిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోయినాం. తర్వాత అక్కడ మాత్రం చాలా మంచి ఎంజాయ్ చేసినాం. ఆ వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ అది ఇది అది అనుకుంటా ఎక్కడం దిగడం అంతా లైక్ ఫన్ మంచిగా ఉంది. పోయేసరికి ఏదో ఇంకా ఒక ఫీల్ ఒక ఏదో చిన్న ఇంకెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం అన్న ఒక ఫీల్ అయితే ఉంది. కానీ ఇంకా మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇంకా కొంచెం ఇంకా దాన్ని కూడా తీసుకోవాలి. ఏదైనా మనం యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి థ్యాంక్ యూ. బాబాయ్ బంటి అన్ని వీడియోస్ బాబాయ్ దాని
అరే రోడ్ ఎట్లా క్రాస్ అవుతారు రేడు. మేడం మీరు మాస్క్ వేసుకొని ఎట్లా తాగుతారు ఛాయ? కథలు పడకు.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇట్రా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చూడండి.
మిన్ను నీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పవా మిన్ను? దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ వెహికల్. సో తిరుపతి అన్న చెప్పన్న ఎట్లుంది నీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మాతోని?
మంచిగా ఉందన్న.
మంచిగా ఉందా? ఎంజాయ్ అయిందా మరి?
మంచిగా అనిపించింది.
ఇంకా ఇంకో వారం రోజులు తిరుగుదామా? ఏడికి పోదాం చెప్పు నువ్వే వాళ్ళు.
నార్త్ సైడ్ పోదాం.
నార్త్ సైడా? ఎయ్ నార్త్ సైడ్ అంటావు మీరే మరి క్యాషియర్స్ ప్లాన్ చేయండి. నార్త్ సైడ్ అంట. Stopped here for a fuel break. I think this will be the last fuel break here in this trip, and we are almost reached Kalvakurthi. I think most of you already know Kalvakurthi. So if anyone from Kalvakurthi, do comment down. Like I am from Kalvakurthi, like that. So just stopped before entering Kalvakurthi in a petrol bunk here and refueling the vehicle.
మనస్సు మార్చుకుందాం, మనస్సు మార్చుకుందాం, మనస్సు మార్చుకుందాం, మనస్సు మార్చుకుందాం.
So I can smell the Hyderabad here. So we reached Hyderabad outskirts. So we should get on to ORR now. So outer ring road, we will be taking outer ring road from here and we will get down near Uppal. Uppal hai kada? Exit. Okay. So directly we will be having an exit near the Gatke, like Yamnampet, which is Srinidhi Engineering College. Here at Yamnampet, we are dropping my brother, Mr. Sai Tharun Malayala Auto. Auto. Stopped here for a dinner. This is Gauraram, I guess we crossed the Hyderabad, that 20 kilometers more than that. So yesterday night we have reached home at 2 p.m. and like 1 p.m. So cleaning everything and getting ourselves freshed up and then going to bed. It took us 1 hour extra. So at 2 o'clock we slept and morning at 10:30 I guess I woke up and just completed some work. If you go to something like some places like Punya Kshetrams, you should surely distribute the prasadam. So that is what I am going to do now. So that's it. That marks the end of this particular vlog as well as this particular trip. See you all with another epic trip with my friends for sure, and hope you have enjoyed throughout the trip. So if at all you wanted to give me some suggestions, all are welcome. So that's it guys, bye.